Have you ever bought a stock only to watch it drop 20% or more? Most of us hold on too long because we don't have a plan. Today, I'm showing you how to build a safety switch directly into your Google Sheet, so things like PayPal in 2022 won't happen again. It uses two simple lines, the simple moving average and the exponential moving average, to tell you exactly when it's safe to buy and when it's time to get out before things get really ugly. Don't let the names scare you. The simple moving average is like a turtle we see here with the red line. It's slow, steady, and tells you the long-term trend. The EMA, the exponential moving average, is the rabbit. It reacts fast to what's happening right now. When the rabbit starts running away from the turtle, pay attention. So let's have a look how we can build those two indicators. So switching back to Google Sheets and scroll in a bit. So first, the turtle. We want the average price of the last 200 days. In Google Sheets, we create a function called SMA. We tell it to grab the last few months of prices and gives us the average. If your stock is below this line, you're in the danger zone. It's that simple. So what we do is clicking on data, go to named functions, create a new one, and give a name for this function called SMA. It's a simple moving average. And we have two arguments for this function. The first one is the ticker, obviously, and the second one are the days. So you can change it to any number of days. So let's go to the formula definition. We type in the average and then, or let's start it with the inner part first. So we have the Google Finance using the ticker and the price function. And then we have to give a time range, today, minus the days we put into this function, times 2. And then we have the second part, today. So next part is we put the function query on top of it to get rid of the header as well. So we do a select column 2, order by column 1, descending order, and limit it by the number of days. And last but not least, we put on top of this the average part. There's a little typo in here for the today function, and we have to get rid of one of the last ones. And one word for this one, why do I multiply it by 2? So we have the holidays as well, and to keep really the 200 business days, I just times it by 2. So I click on next, and then create. So if, for example, I have the Amazon ticker here, call it SMA, and then I have to select the ticker and then the days, for example, 200 days. So I get the SMA, the 200 SMA of the closing price of 218. And so we finished the first part, and now we want to also have the EMA 100, for example, and we build this named function as well, called EMA, exponential moving average, and we use the ticker here as well and the days. And I have prepared the statement for EMA. It looks like this, and basically it gives more weight to what happened yesterday than what happened 3 months ago. It uses some new functions like let and so on, but I've a video on that one as well. So clicking on next, we have now the EMA as well. I type in EMA, ticker, and then 100. Oh, snap on. I think I have to do a reduce the header. So I have to add 0 for the query. And let's see if it works now. Perfect. I can reduce the digits as well. And now we have both numbers. And we have to give the last price, Google Finance, ticker, price, and we have this number. So what we can do now, for example, if we have loads of stocks, let's add some in here, and I will move that down. Then what we can do is, if the price, if we do a conditional formatting, telling if it's, but we have to consider one condition, that the last price is also below the SMA 200, so we have to cancel this one and switch to is between, and it's the yellow between if the price is between the EMA 100 and the SMA 200. So I have to type in T3. T3, and we put another one if the color should be red if it's below the SMA 200, like this one. So let's have a check. For example, booking holdings is below the SMA 200 and the EMA 100, so it's turning red. The same for DoorDash. And you can do like this kind of traffic light system to your watch list or to your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.